Zack.Petrous here from MarineMax Jacksonville, and I'm standing on Vela's new 368 catamaran. As you can see, this is an expansive boat, 11.6 beam. It's massive in comparison to most 37s. We walk through this boat and you'll see a multitude of options you don't see on other boats. This huge forward lounger, great for entertaining, gives a great family aspect to a nice fishing boat. You've got great storage under this. This is what we call the cool pool. The cool pool is insulated. It can be filled with water. You can use it as a live well if you're pre-fishing and put bait in there for an upcoming tournament, or you can stack it full of ice when you're heading to the Bahamas. Of course, you drop it down, you got a great lounger. Storage is key on any boat. This boat in particular has a tremendous amount of storage. You look at the in-floor storage here, you've got dedicated storage for anchor lockers, baggage, anything you need to step down in there. Moving down the sides of the boat, on both sides of the forward seat, you do have rod storage, and you've got your in-floor fish boxes. Here on the floor, you've got these massive in-floor insulated fish boxes that literally you can stuff as much as you want in it. It seems like we put 4 bean bags in there and they seem to get lost. The key feature on this boat is this hard top, 9x16. It's one of the largest hard tops in the entire industry. Definitely one of the largest I've seen on a catamaran boat under 40 feet. You've got a massive compartment underneath in the head. There's an available head system down below. Here at the helm, you see 3 16-inch screens across the dash. All C-zone switching, all Bocatech push-button light-up switches, easy to use. Another custom feature about this dash is your electronics boxes. These aren't your normal electronics boxes. They're meant for your phone. If you see here, you've got inductive charging on both sides of the console for you and your passengers. Also here at the helm, you got 3 release seats, all vacuum bag, wood seats, beautiful seats. With Vela, you also have your choice of interior colors. Another thing you'll notice on this boat, plenty of cup holder storage. You need cup holders on a boat. Who doesn't, right? Back here at the transom, this is the business end of the boat for sure. All Jimlux hardware, Jimlux outriggers, Jimlux latches, rod holders, everything is Jimlux on this boat. Super durable, locally made here in Jacksonville. One of the coolest features on this boat is this massive tackle storage. You've got center line storage and then outside tackle box storage along with knife and scissor storage in the sides. This can be configured however the angler would like it to be configured. We can make changes to it for your particular needs. You got 200+ gallon in-floor live wells back here, and also an 80-gallon transom live well here. It's massive. You got plenty of rod storage up top, and also speaking of up top, the top of this boat is layered with solar panels. These solar panels can power this boat all day, all night, maintain the batteries, go out to the sandbar, you got the music going, lights on, having a good time, you've got power, guaranteed. If you have any questions about this boat, feel free to contact MarineMax Jacksonville, ask for Zach. Have a good day.